Excellencies, friends, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, it is a pleasure and an honor for me to speak to you at this important gathering. Since its foundation, UN Habitat has worked to promote the realization of the right to adequate housing for all as central to achieving socially and environmentally sustainable cities where no one and no place is left behind. Any investment in housing has an immediate impact on cities and profound influence on people's life. Adequate housing, which is affordable, safe, and well located, is central to providing access to quality sanitation and water supplies. It is key to access public spaces, job opportunities, hospitals, schools, and food systems. It is also the first line of defense against extreme events. On the other hand, housing also plays a catalytic role in economic development, employment generation, and poverty reduction, as well as in overcoming challenges related to climate change. Especially in the aftermath of the sanitary and socio-economic crisis initiated by COVID-19, housing needs to be put at the center of the economic, social, and environmental recovery. As noted in our flagship report, Cities and Pandemics Towards a More Just, Green, and Healthy Future, COVID-19 has made even clearer the necessity to address a pre-existing housing crisis, a crisis reflected in the increasing unaffordability of adequate housing to a large share of the urban population. An effective response to the housing challenge will yield benefits beyond the housing sector. This is particularly relevant for the Asia and the Pacific region, where the scale and speed of urbanization has no historical precedent, the equivalent of adding 4 cities the size of Tokyo every year. Unplanned urbanization prevents people from tapping into the opportunities that urbanization carries and often translates in housing unaffordability, exacerbating inequalities, and the lack of affordable solution pushes people, and particularly from marginalized groups, into sharing overcrowded and unsafe informal dwellings, or to move into locations with little access to basic services, employment, education opportunities, healthcare, or green spaces, as well as prone to hazards. As cities in Asia continue to grow, we urgently need to tackle the housing unaffordability crisis. A recent study by the Asian Development Bank confirmed the magnitude of the problem. Further, the challenge of better understanding how to increase access to quality and affordable housing in the region is made even more urgent by the growing income instability triggered by the economic spillovers of COVID-19. The economic shock has directly translated into shock to employment and people's livelihoods. In Asia and the Pacific, an average of 140 million full-time jobs were lost over 2020. Another global challenge with unique urgency in the region is connected to climate change. Here, extensive low-lying territories and small islands are menaced by rising sea levels and extreme weather patterns. For all these reasons, we strongly believe that tackling challenges from the COVID-19 pandemic, climate and housing emergencies will require a new social contract based on access to adequate housing for all and on governmental interventions to respect, protect, and fulfill this fundamental right. Still, achieving the right to adequate housing for all needs to be ultimately recognized as a responsibility shared with other stakeholders, civil society, private sector, academia, and the donor community. The regional housing forums organized by Habitat for Humanity provide a critical space to foster more connectedness and collaboration among key stakeholders of the housing sector, leading to innovation and scale in affordable housing. For UN Habitat, the Asia-Pacific Housing Forum is also an important milestone in the preparation of the next World Urban Forum, which will be held in Polish city of Katowice in June 2022. Let me end by thanking Habitat for Humanity for this opportunity and thanking all the panelists who will contribute to this forum and everyone who will be sharing knowledge, experiences, and best practices on the subject of housing and urban habitats. I wish you all a great, fruitful discussion. Thank you.